This is Oppo's new flagship, the Find X12 Ultra. It's got insane cameras, a stunning display, and ridiculous charging speeds. But is it really worth your money? Let's find out. First off, design. This phone screams luxury with its ceramic back, curved edges, and that massive camera bump. On the front, a 6.82-inch Quad HD Plus LTPO AMOLED display. Super vibrant, 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 3000 nits brightness. It's easily one of the best screens I've seen. Inside, it's powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip with up to 16 GB RAM. That means crazy fast performance. Whether it's high-end gaming, multitasking, or video editing, this thing doesn't break a sweat. Now the cameras, oh man, co-developed with Hasselblad, the Find X12 Ultra packs a 1-inch main sensor, an ultra-wide, periscope telephoto, and a macro lens. Photos? Sharp, detailed, stunning colors. Night shots? Next level. Plus, 8K video recording for creators.
Battery life? No worries here. 5,000 milliamp hours with blazing fast 150-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless. You can fully charge this phone in under 20 minutes. That's wild. So, is the Oppo Find X12 Ultra worth it? If you want one of the most powerful, feature-packed Android phones in 2025, this is it. But yeah, it won't be cheap. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would you buy it? If you enjoyed this quick review, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.